On this glorious day, we are gathered here to celebrate our freedom and the spirit of our nation.
Our country was under the clutches of the Britishers, and with lots of effort and struggle by our great freedom fighters, today we've got this day wherein we are breathing without any hurdles. We are breathing freely, and we are so proud as Indians. Vande Mataram.
ಜೀವನ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ.
1947ರಂದು ಭಾರತವು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಈ ದಿನವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹುತಾತ್ಮರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ತ್ಯಾಗವನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.